Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm not gonna speak much, so I'm just gonna give you some instruction on how to make junk journal or journal. So here I'm using a pen box to make cover. Now I'm folding and I'm keeping distance of 1 inch from both the side, as you can see. This space is for binding. I am taking an image which I'm gonna use later on my cover. This is a window look or frame look. I am using red color. My red color is a little light color, it is not much dark, so I'm gonna use black color to give it more dark and shadow look. You can also use golden color if you want, or silver color, but I want to give it a dark look, so I am using black color. Now I'm painting back of the journal. So this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna make inside of the journal, so I'm using a blue paper. Carefully press paper in the each side of the edges so it can fix properly and it doesn't tear apart. Now I'm taking pages. As you can see, these are blank paper. My purpose of making this journal is to use for art, so I'm using all the blank papers and black as well. So now I'm marking for binding. I have marked in 3 sections. Now I'm taking needles and making holes on all those marks. I actually did binding of the camera, so you won't be able to see how I did binding. So it is a finished look, and I'm gonna use this journal as art journal. I hope you like this video, and if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.